Hi there, this is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes, and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of Fall or Thanksgiving grass for bouquets. This is a very quick and easy tutorial that will make perfect last minute gifts for housewarming or are perfect for flaunting your crocheting skills if you are a beginner crocheter. This is the second part for the grass. If somehow you have missed the first part where we learned to crochet the grass, you can check the description for the link to the first part. If you're fond of crocheting flowers, there are a number of different flower tutorials that I have done in the past. You can check the link to the entire playlist also in the description. I have done a few fall and Halloween flowers along with some spring flowers like roses, poppies, hydrangea, daisies and such. You can check it out. You can crochet different flowers and you can mix and match them together to create a bouquet for yourself. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. In today's tutorial, we are going to see the assembly of this grass. So you are going to need the wire and the floral tape for the assembly. Before we begin rolling the grass on the wire, I am just going to wrap the wire with the floral tape. That gives a grip to the wire so that the crocheted piece stays firmly on the wire. So I am just going to start wrapping from one tip of the wire till the other tip. So keep the tape slightly slanting and then just keep on rotating it. Make sure that you stretch the tape a little to activate the glue of the floral tape. Once you reach the end, just snip off the tape. I prefer snipping it off rather than cutting it because snipping off gives a better finish to the tape. Once done, we are going to start wrapping the grass. For wrapping, we are going to start with the starting tail of the grass where we had done the 2 chain picots, then the 3 chain picots 10 and then the 10 4 chain picots. This is where we ended the grass. So we are going to start with the starting point of the grass. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. And you are going to start wrapping it on the wire. So I'll just hold this tail of the yarn parallel to the wire and we are going to start wrapping the grass from the top. You can wrap it slightly loosely even if the wire is showing from the middle of the grass, that is fine because we have wrapped the wire too with the brown tape so it won't look shabby. So just start wrapping it evenly. Make sure that you are not doing it symmetrical. It should be in a zigzag and a random manner. Just keep wrapping. Once you are done, we are going to wrap the rest of the stem again with the floral tape. So you are going to start wrapping right at the base of the crocheted grass and then continue wrapping it till the end of the wire. If you want, you can cut off these tails of the yarn. I don't mind those tails because it gives a slight thickness to the wire stem here, so I am okay with it. Now just keep wrapping it till the end like this. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. Now just gently shape the grass like this so that it gives it a more naturalistic look. So here we are done with the grass. You can do it in any different colors that you want. Now if you want to make a fuller bouquet with this grass only, then you can add some springs like this. This is a pipe cleaner. I have just wrapped it around a pen and then I have removed it to create the spring. You can use these and you can attach these to the grasses and then you can create an entire bouquet. The bouquet will look much fuller if you will add these. You can also add wire strings to it. This is a simple wire. I have wrapped it with the same brown floral tape, the one which you be used to wrap the stem of the grass. And I've repeated the same process with this as well. I've just wrapped the wire around the pen and then I've stretched it a little to create this spring like formation. This can also be used to make fillers for the grass bouquet. So you can choose any fillers that you want. If you want, you can use these grasses also as fillers. You can create different fall flowers or flower for any other occasion like roses. These would look perfect with red or white roses. So you can create different big crochet flowers and then you can use this grass as the filler. If you're fond of crocheting flowers, again, I have done a lot of different flower tutorials like tutorial for roses, hydrangeas and such different flowers. So you can find the link to the entire playlist in the description. You can check it out. If you want to purchase flowers, you can also hop on to my Etsy shop where you will find patterns to very realistic flowers like roses, iris, lily of the valley and such flowers. So you can purchase the patterns from there also. They are easy to follow patterns with step-by-step pictures. So this is all from my side today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. So thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.